Okay. Is he behind the door?
No.
No. Okay, close the door. Is he inside the clock?
No.
Is that Spot?
No.
No. It's a snake. Is he in the piano?
No.
No. Who's that?
It's that.
It's a hippo. Close the bird. Close the piano. Is he under the stairs?
No.
No. It's a lion. Is he in the closet?
No.
No. What's that? It's a monkey? Is he under the bed?
No.
No. Who's that? It's a crocodile? Is Spot in the box?
No.
No. What is it? Penguins? Is Spot under the rug?
No.
No. Who's that? It's a turtle. Is he in the basket? Spot in the basket?
That.
Is he in the basket?
That.
Yay, that's Spot. Yay, Spot's with a mommy.
Hehehe